stop. We can't start the vlog like this. No. We have to actually tell you guys what it's all about before we get back into that funky sound. So, here's the deal. First of all, morning people.
Good morning people. Or afternoon or wherever you are
Wherever you are in the world. Today is Boxing Day.
Yeah.
I don't know what they call it here in Switzerland, but you know, from our world, we're known as Boxing Day. The wife and I was just here. I was in here doing a little bit of editing and playing around with some videos. She just made me a nice cocktail.
Filled it up a bit too much there.
Let's cheers so I can drink some of this and get back
Maybe you
to
should drink
our
it
people.
first.
Cheers. All right. So, what's this?
Snowball.
This is Snowball, one of our favorite
And
cocktails.
a bit of Malibu.
Okay, so let me get back into this. Yesterday, we did vlogging.
Yeah.
We commenced what we call vlogging history.
Yes, we vlogged the whole day of our Christmas celebrations, which we've never done before.
Well, it was our first Christmas as vloggers.
Christmas as vloggers, yeah.
You know, so to a professional vlogger to vlog on Christmas Day, they'll probably be like, "Oh, that's nothing. We've done that all the time." But for us, multitasking, it was tiring.
Oh, it was hectic too because when we had to video a clip, then the food is waiting, food is getting cold.
Right, so we have to run back
like
in
that.
and edit in and so on and so forth. But because she worked so hard yesterday in the kitchen, I wasn't actually doing a food vlog. I was just, doing what we do every Christmas, taking random shots.
Right.
And this morning I decided, let's throw it together.
Yeah.
It took us a while to finish everything yesterday.
Definitely.
We normally get our National Lampoon's Vacation in, and we kind of barely made it. But we kept our ritual and we watched it last night.
Yeah.
Before we went to bed.
Yeah.
When I re-looked at the vlog that we did yesterday, I realized that I was so tired while editing that some of the food
it was missing.
was missing from it, and because of that I was going back through some of the videos saying, did I lose those footage or what? And then I create a super duper montage of our work on the food. So without further ado, let's get into it.
I hope you enjoyed that little video clip of the food and the celebrations, the things that we missed out yesterday in our We Did It vlog.
Yes, and to show you that we did enjoy ourselves, you know, and we put these vlogs out to create a feel-good feeling to
definitely.
people and to inspire others.
Yeah.
You know, so we're gonna chill today.
Cocktail in hand.
Sip a cocktail and just take it easy today.
Eat leftovers.
You know, eat a lot of leftovers food. So we're gonna sign out now, and hope you enjoy this vlog. And remember, subscribe, like, hit that notification bell,
Yep.
and write in the comment section.
Sebas Family Cash.
No. Hashtag.
I got it wrong.
Hashtag Family Sebas
Family
Cash.
Sebas Cash.
It has to be hashtag Family Sebas Cash. So remember,
I'm
all
still
you gotta
tired,
do,
Sorry.
all you gotta do is subscribe to our channel,
Yeah.
hit that notification bell, and in the comment section of any of our video, hit hashtag Family Sebas Cash. Don't hit it. Write hashtag Family Sebas Cash, and you'll have a chance to win 100 Swiss francs every month.
Yeah.
So, peace.
Ciao for now.